Hi, this is Steve from Signature Garden Services, quoting Gracie Ellis, 4/7 Blakesley St Tewantin, for a garden makeover. So within the garden, Gracie has spoken about putting in a fire pit area over in the corner over here. So with the tree that's here, we obviously want to keep that. So to make that happen, we would stylishly in the corner here maybe put a few sandstone boulders and some grasses to tie in that, because we're going to decompose granite in this section through here, with a large, probably about 200 mil high cordon steel, so it's rusty edging, which would go in here, starting here and then curving around over to this way. So that will give us the retaining and the lift that we need so that we can put decomposed granite into that area there. So decomposed granite, it gets plate compacted so that it becomes durable. We also go the extra step of putting in ivory cement, mixing it into the top layer of the decomposed granite so that it goes a little bit cement like. It's only about a 5 to 7% mix. That way, if you don't do that, the decomposed granite, when it's wet, becomes quite soft underfoot. So this makes it more durable. So yeah, we're going to include that. So with the edging from here coming around over to this area here, we then get the fall that we need to then make the grass through here flat. So the grass will come through here. I understand that this slab will come up with the travertine paving on it, and then we will make the grass match the slab level that is here. So grass through here. The cordon steel edging will then, from over here about a metre off the wall, track across here all the way along to the fence so that a garden bed can be put in here. We will fill in here with mulch, and please get back to me if you want plants. We didn't get time to talk about planting, so please let me know. And yeah, the one other thing that was discussed was the soil level through here, so we'll go back to the drain pit here. Yes, we will make that happen. And then from this area just here, a lower cordon steel edge just going across, you'd hardly see it, but that will transition from the grass to a pebble that comes through here. So it won't go as far as the garden edge because the garden edge will be there, and then through here, and then all the way down we are going to do a pebble, and from there we will do a series of steppers coming from here, coming up here, and to this point here, I believe. So they get put on a bed of sand and cement. Now bluestone steppers are quite on trend these days, or we can do a myriad of other steppers. The pebble combination and color as well we can discuss further. So yeah, open for more discussion. Apologies that I couldn't get here in time, but that's probably the best we can do at the moment to open up the lines of discussion as to what you want. And yeah, let me know. You can always come out again and talk further. Cheers.